Hence differentiate y equal to log x. So we will differentiate with respect to x like this, and log x is 1 by x. This is the rule. The ddx of log x is 1 by x. This is rule, and this rule is applicable to solving the many question. Just remember it, that ddx of log x is 1 by x. Now proceeding to the next question. So what will be the derivative of y equal to log 5x? Definitely 5 by x, because log 5x will be 1 by x. So that is the assume that this is capital X, so that will be 5x, and ddx of 5x will be 5. So that will be 5 by x, 5 by 5x, so that will be 1 by x. So here we are saying that ddx of log x is 1 by x. Assume this this is a capital X, so like this, and this will be ddx of, then we will differentiate this part. So if 5 will come out, so ddx of x, that will be 1, so 5 will cancel, that will be 1 by x. So if you have the practice, as I have told you just earlier, if you have more practice, then you will do such a kinds of the question in one line, because these are the one line question and nothing else. So moving to the next, the question is differentiate y equal to 5 log 5x. What will you do? And the second question is differentiate y equal to log x power 5. So solving the first question, firstly we will rewrite the question. So y equal to log 5x. So we have to differentiate it. So we will differentiate with respect to x, because this function is with respect to x. So we will differentiate it with respect to x. So after differentiating, we will get this 5 will be out, and this log 5x will be 1 by 5x. That is 1 by 5. Just I have already we have just already differentiated, and we had found the value of differentiation it, that 1 by 5. So 5 by 5, that is 1. If you are not getting it, then see it that if this 5, this will be out, ddx of log 5x, that is will be 1 by 5x into ddx of 5x. So 5 will be out, ddx of will be 1. So 5 into 5 by 5x. So 5 will be cancelled. Okay, just see it, and you will get better understand. So differentiating, we will take 5 as out. Here should be 5x, not a, that is wrong. Here should be 5x, and 5x. 5x. So this will be 1 by 5x into ddx of 5x, ddx of this 5x. So this 5 will come out, this 5 you can see this, so here will be 1 by x, this 5 will come out, and here will be ddx of x, which is 1. So 5 by x. So final answer is 5 by x. Very easy question. There is nothing extra too much hard. This is the simple question. If you proceed step by step, if you are not getting the fast rule doing in one line, then go the step by step method and you will get definitely answer. So after solving it, we will move for the second question, and which is y equal to log x raised to power 5. Y equal to x power 5. So differentiating with respect to x, so this is x power n. Feel that this is x power n. Note this can be solved as two ways. Either remain this form as it is, means don't put this 5, don't bring this 5 on into as a multiplicative factor, because according to the log property, if there is log x power something, then that something will come as a outside and as a multiplicative factor. So if you don't do this and you want to differentiate log x power 5, then this will behave as a x power n. So ddf, and then suppose that this is a capital X. So if you are, when you are going to differentiate, this will be 1 by, since this is log capital S, so 1 by x, that is x power 5 into ddx of x power 5. So that will be 5x power 4. So 1 by x power 5, and here is 5 x power 4. X power 4 will cancel x power 4, so there will be in denominator 1 by x. So in denominator there will be x by 4, so in numerator there is 5, so there will be 5 by x answer. In denominator there is only x, that will remain, and in numerator there will be 5, so 5 by x will be answer. Solving by this method, you have got the answer, and if you will solve this question by x power n, treating as this as x power n, then you will also got the same answer as I have told you just earlier. So now moving to the next question. Here the question is, there in base of log there is a power 1 by 2. This is the base of the log. So differentiating it, So you have to differentiate this. So firstly we will rewrite the question. So according to the log property, if there is a base a and their power is something m and here is n, so this will come as a 1 by m and this will come as a only n. So n by m will be the multiplicative factor of log x base to a. Similarly we will do here by following this rule, and after solving we will get y equal to log x base to a. Now we will differentiate it with respect to x, then we will get 1 by x, because ddx of log x is 1 by s, whatever with the base of that log, means irrespective of their base. So ddx of log x is 1 by x. So that is the answer. So now moving to the next question. The two questions are given. You have to differentiate it and it. So y equal to a power x. So when you will differentiate it, the ddx of a power x is a power x log a. This is the rule. ddx of a power x is a power x log a. This is the rule. Very important rule, and you have to remember this. Note that this a is not written in term as a base of a. This a is here. Similarly, differentiation of it will be so we'll differentiate with respect to x and feel that this is the 2 power x as a capital X, then this will come as a power 2x log a and ddx of this 2x, that will be 2. Just see it. Note, since here we are assuming that this is capital X, so after assuming we will differentiate. So a power 2x will be a power 2x log a, that is this, and this will be also differentiate. This 2x will be also differentiate as a ddx of 2x. Note that here is y equal to a power x. So if you will differentiate, you will write ddx of a power x and a power x log a. So one term is here also written, that is I have left that is ddx of x, means this x. So in this question the ddx in place of x there is 2x, so we will write ddx of 2x, and in this question here is only x, so we will write ddx of x, which is 1. Here is ddx of 2x, which is, this will be 1, so this will be 2, so this value will be 2. That's all about this. You are seeing the RSL study material. See the more video. That's all.